My name is Rosa Mapendo. I am a human rights activist. I'm from the US. I come for different reasons, but today is a commemoration to remember our hero who was killed. I am among the community.
So, what is the end goal? What do you want to achieve? What is that specific message you want to send maybe to the international community, human rights organizations, and basically the world at large with regards to what is happening in the eastern part of DRC?
I believe most of the people they still just ignore. As we want to raise our voice, this is not a start for today. It has been for a long time. Myself, I am a survivor from a genocide of Banyamulenge. I used to live in Kasai. My husband was killed. I was imprisoned with my 7 children, including the pregnancy. Because of what? Because I was a Banyamulenge, only for the reason. And I believe the whole world, the whole nation, they try just to ignore. They look aside. Right now, my village, my people, my parents, my aunt, my uncles, they are in a situation no one can believe. They are in lack without even internet, because our own government is try to silence it, to do with nobody know it. So we are crying for help. Please, anyone who can take an action, please don't listen to us for nothing. We have been cried, we did the protesting, and the whole world is looking at what? Is looking at people like they are playing a game. Please, this is not a game, this is our parents. Drone without a plane, without a pilot. Because they send a drone without a pilot, because they themselves are scared to die. Why are you scared to die? You got to kill the parents over someone. Our life is a matter. Our life is a matter. We are human right, human being as anyone. We are people who have a potential. Also, this is our country. Is where we come from. So, is a mistake to be a Munyamulenge? Is a sin? Is a criminal? Somebody to come, our own government, pay another government, other countries, to call to kill his own citizen. Please, the people who understand our voice, please don't ignore, don't try to look aside, because it is our own parents. This is not the history, and this is not, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Sometimes it hurts to see whole nation try to ignore when our people are dying. People are lacked. Government is shooting our people. No one have access to hospital. No one have, we cannot even people who are wounded to take them to the hospital. It's the people who are not have any access to any life. They have no source, they cannot, what they want to do. Please, the people who are here, it's not good. And the whole nation silent. I know genocide have happening. People try to say never again. Never again. Is it a business? Can they do under business more than that? If the people want to take a mineral, take it, but let us live like everybody. That's the most cry out. I hope someone can take an action. Human rights, United Nations, peacekeeper, people knew for sure whole world. That's most important. We are crying for help as a Banyamulenge. Right now we come to remember the man who sacrificed his own life to go to help his parents. He was killed with our own government. So what can we do? So,
thank you. Is there anyone